Are there real laws that regulate robots? There is no universal code of robotics laws, but there are legal frameworks, norms, and principles that guide the development of this technology. The landscape is much more complex than you might imagine. To start, the idea of regulating robots isn't new. In 1942, the writer Isaac Asimov proposed his famous 3 laws of robotics, which in fiction dictated that a robot must not harm a human, must obey orders, and must protect its own existence. Although these laws are literary fiction, they have profoundly influenced the ethical debate on AI and robotics. Now, in the real world, there are legal and normative frameworks in different regions. Europe, for example, is a pioneer in regulation with the AI Act, approved in 2024, which regulates the use of AI according to its risk level. There are also machine safety and civil liability directives that apply to robots in general. In the United States, there is no specific federal law for robots, but there are industrial safety standards and state-level regulations for autonomous vehicles. Meanwhile, in Asia, countries like Japan and South Korea are pushing for standards on care and assistance robots for the elderly. In addition to country-specific regulations, there is an important debate on the international stage, such as at the UN, about banning lethal autonomous weapons. But there are also ethical principles recommended by organizations like UNESCO, the IEE, and the European Union. These principles focus on transparency, safety, human control, and data protection to ensure that AI robots are developed ethically and for the social good. In short, there are no universal robotics laws like in science fiction. Instead, there is a set of legal and ethical frameworks that regulate the safety, responsibility, and use of AI robots. The great challenge is that technology is advancing faster than the laws, which is why many experts are calling for a global agreement to avoid being left behind.